Mom is a completely homegrown food delivery service from the homely regular meals that we typically refer to as ghar ka khana.
1st of July 2011. That is since when I've been eating food from restaurants and cafes. Today is gonna be different. Today we are at a place which is called Meals by Mom, and as the name suggests, it is meals prepared at home with the love and affection of a mother. And we are very excited to be here. It's gonna be an exception from what we usually cover, and I could not be more excited about this. So let's quickly get inside and show you who the real person behind this concept is. So we have the main person behind Meals by Mom over here, Mrs. Chakraborty. Welcome to Food Spa, and thank you for having us over.
My pleasure.
Okay, so একটু কনসেপ্টের ব্যাপারে বলো আমাকে।
আমি ভীষণ রান্না করতে ভালোবাসি, খাওয়াতে ভালোবাসি। সো আই থট দ্যাট আমি চিরকাল হাজব্যান্ডকে তার বিজনেসে হেল্প করেছি, তো ওয়াই নট যে নিজে কিছু করি, নিজের একটা আইডেন্টিটি। অনেক আগে একবার শুরু করেছিলাম 20 বছর আগে, তখন বাচ্চারা খুব ছোট ছিল। তো এত বেশি বেড়ে গেছিলো যে আমি নিজে একলা আর হ্যান্ডেল করতে পারছিলাম। বিজনেস মানে তো শুধু রান্না করা নয়, আরও অনেকগুলো দিক ছিল যেগুলো আমি হ্যান্ডেল করতে পারছিলাম না। এটা অনেক বেড়ে গেছিলো, তো বন্ধ করে দিতে হয়েছিল, বিকজ চিলড্রেন আর ভেরি স্মল দ্যাট টাইম, স্কুল গোয়িং, ওদেরও দেখাশোনা করতে হতো। তারপরে এখন আমার বড় ছেলে যখন বাইরে থেকে এলো, লকডাউনে এখানে আটকে গেল এতগুলো মাস, দ্যাট টাইম আই সেড দিস ইজ মাই ডিজায়ার, আমার খুব একটা কিছু করার ইচ্ছে। সো আই সেড ওকে, তুমি যদি শুরু করো, আই এম উইথ ইউ, আই লাইক ইউ।
ওয়াও।
সো সেই থেকে শুরু হয়েছে, কয়েক মাসই হয়েছে, বাট রেসপন্স খুব ভালো।
Excellent, very nice. তোমার এখানে স্পেশালিটি কি? What do you think you cook the best? Meals by Mom, is it just about Bengali food or do you
No,
have?
it's all everything.
Okay.
খুব গরমেও আছে, তার মধ্যে আমার মানে বলতে গেলে একটা সিগনেচার ডিশ হয়ে যাচ্ছে চিকেন রোস্ট। হোল চিকেন রোস্ট হয়, পোর্শনও হয়, অ্যান্ড কম্বো হিসেবে যায় ফুল রোস্ট উইথ বয়েলড ভেজিটেবলস অ্যান্ড হার্ব রাইস। সো এইটা খুব পপুলার হচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে। তাছাড়াও কিছু কন্টিনেন্টাল থাকছে, চাইনিজও আছে, প্লাস ডেইলি থালি।
Daily meals. Okay. And prices গুলো তুমি কেমন, মানে is it affordable, is it something premium according to
I feel it's very affordable.
Okay. Individual portions যদি কেউ চাই, মানে আমি for instance আমি introduction shortage যেটা বললাম যে I have been eating from outside since the 1st of July 2011, so it's been close to a decade now. Now I struggle to find places, Swiggy, Zomato তেও যখন আমরা স্পেশালি বেঙ্গলি মিলস যখন আমরা অর্ডার করি, তখন সবসময় দেখা যায় যে হয় কষা মাংস বা কষা ডিম, এভরিথিং ইজ কুকড একদম কষা স্টাইল। সো এইখানে কি বাঙালি রান্না যেটা একদম পাতলা ঝোল,
মাছের পাতলা ঝোল,
and individual portions এ ওগুলো অর্ডার করা যেতে পারে through Swiggy and Zomato?
Yes.
Wow, I think it couldn't have been better, and the best part about it is কি এটা আমার বাড়ি থেকে খুবই close. I in fact walked it to this place. It's just 950 meters from my house. So that's amazing. Thank you so much. I think এবার আমরা কিচেনে চট করে গিয়ে একটু কিচেনের শটস গুলো নিই। চল। Guys, now we're going to get a sneak peek into the kitchen and show you what goes around in the background. We have all the preparations away of the cutlets and the fish fries and everything. So we're having teriyaki meatballs next. This is a Japanese preparation, is it?
Yes.
I made balls. এটা কি মাটন না চিকেন?
চিকেন। আজকে মাটন কিছুই নেই।
এটা কি?
এটা রুই মাছের কালি, কাতলা কমলা। এটা একদম অরেঞ্জ জুস দিয়ে বানানো হয়েছে, এতে মানে ঝোলের জন্য কোনো জল ইউজ করা হয়নি।
আচ্ছা, ওকে। This is
এটা
seasonal
শীতকালে, এটা শীতকালে যখন করি অরিজিনাল একদম কমলা লেবুর জুস দিয়ে।
ওকে।
আর যখন গরমকালে করি তখন অরেঞ্জ অ্যাভেলেবল থাকে না, তখন টেট্রাপ্যাক অরেঞ্জ জুস দেয়।
Okay, great, fantastic. So what are we having next over here?
This is chicken wings cutlet.
Okay. Let's fry maybe a couple of them. দুটো করে নিই আমরা।
হ্যাঁ, নর্মালি দুটোতে এক প্লেট।
আচ্ছা, great.
And it goes with ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইজ
ওকে কাটলেটটা তোমরা ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইজের সাথে দাও
এন্ড সস।
ওকে গ্রেট
এটা চিকেন রোস্ট হয়ে গেছে ওভেনে,
ওকে
সো এটা আমি এখন বার করছি।
লাভলি We've seen this is what has been spread for us. Now I think we're gonna get the entire thing sent to the kitchen, heat it back, and I'm gonna be trying out one by one everything and gonna give you a review about how everything tastes. Excited? So am I. Let's start eating now, shall we? Let me introduce the crew for the day. We have Arpita helping us out with the shoot.
Hi.
We have Shoptik, who is a vlogger as well as the designated videographer for the day. We have Ankita, soon to be supermodel. We have Suparna, back after a long time, and it's her first video, first vlog. Excited?
Yes.
कभी सोचे थे कि पुष्पा vlog में आओगे?
हाँ.
Couple shot. हाँ. And to round it off, we have Kash looking smart today. What's
Thank
up?
you.
Excited?
Yeah, very much.
I'm liking your new haircut.
Thank you.
First item over here, and what better way to start off such a meal than with a roast chicken. But roast chicken, when we clicked, ওখানে কিন্তু রাইস ছিল না, so
বিকজ যখন আমি হোল রোস্ট চিকেন অর্ডার পাই দিই তখন সঙ্গে রাইস যায় না,
আচ্ছা
বয়েল ভেজিটেবলস যায় আর এই সসটা যায়।
ওকে ওকে
আর যখন পোর্শন হয়, ধরো শুধু একটা ফুল লেগ রোস্ট, থাই অ্যান্ড লেগ একসঙ্গে রোস্ট হলো, তার সঙ্গে রোস্টেড পটেটো অনিয়ন্স যাবে, তার সঙ্গে এই সসটা যাবে।
আচ্ছা
আর-
what sauce is this?
দিস ইজ আ বাটার গার্লিক সস।
Butter garlic sauce. Wow, great. So if you're ordering a single piece or maybe double pieces, then you're giving it with
সিঙ্গল
the
পিস
rice,
নর্মালি,
like a meal.
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, great.
আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যান আস্ক ফর ফুল রোস্ট, তার সাথেও এই হার্ব রাইস বয়েল ভেজিটেবল সস।
So this is my piece of chicken, and I'm gonna just drizzle some of this amazing, delicious looking sauce.
This you have with little rice. Drizzle on rice.
Acha, rice.
Okay.
Yeah, please do. So I'm drizzling it first on top of the chicken. Then, as she says, it's gonna be drizzled on top of the rice as well to give it a kind of a moist.
Yes.
So it আমি করলাম. Then some of the boiled vegetables. All right. This is reminding me of Olipop. Fantastic. Are we ready? The first thing which I'm noticing about this is the texture and the color of this. This has not been roasted. I had my doubts, alright. So when she was cooking it in the kitchen, I asked her, is this the right color which you want, or you want it to be heated further so that it gets a slightly more darker hinge? But then she says that this is exactly how it needs to be done. Now there is the main difference between something which is made at home and something which is made at a restaurant. So this is my first bite. Do we need to put some seasoning? Mane, salt, pepper,
You
other
can, you want
Okay,
to?
right.
Shall I?
Yeah, please. I think I'll go with a little bit of seasoning because my stomach is not used to having such homely food. It's still used to the ones which we get at the restaurants. But this chicken is extremely moist inside. It's not overdone like I've mentioned. It's moist, and you need to just add the seasoning to your taste and you're good to go. Before I forget, there's also this roasted potato which is a part of this roasted meal, and it has the skin intact, which is amazing. I like the skin intact of any potato. So. Alright guys, we have the next two items of the day. Now this is a portion of fish and chips. Pretty big size, as you can see. It's made of betki. Some french fries. They also give it with a dip. Now this is a mayo dip. Now I'm not going to be personally trying it, but This is for you. We also have a portion of chicken cutlet. So once again, 2 pieces of these chicken cutlet with some fries again. So I'm not repeating it. And some kashundi as well as ketchup. Let me show you the fish first. Now this is a pretty big piece. This is what it looks like. The coating also does not fall off, so that's good. 1 extra point to them. It's only fish, there's no extra stuff added to this. Aside from the coating, of course, to hold it. Pure bhetki. My fries have gone a little cold, so I'm disappointed with this. But the fish fry is amazing. Alright, so next up we have the chicken cutlet. It's made of minced chicken. So you won't find a fillet of chicken. This is minced chicken. It's pretty good. Normally when you're making a cutlet of chicken fillets, it's a little chewy, all right? But this is thick and it's juicy inside. So even if this gets cold, you would still enjoy this. This is the kind of, like at home we make the tikka from chicken. This is the kind of, the same thing which goes inside over here. So you're gonna find it more tasty. Hold on. Alright, so next up we have bolognese. Piping hot. You have these noodles over here. And some delicious, just check this out, guys. Some delicious minced meat. Now this is made of chicken. You also have an option of mutton. Alright, so here's my I always struggle when it comes to these things. You know, to mix this up pretty well, otherwise you're not going to get the sauce and the minced chicken, and you're going to just be left with the noodles. Next up we have teriyaki meatballs as well as peri-peri meatballs. I'm gonna just take one of each. With some capsicum. Alright guys, so next up we have the meatballs. First the teriyaki. You can see the insides of this. The sauce aside, I'm loving the meatballs. The meatballs are pretty good. Next up, the same thing in peri-peri sauce. I prefer the peri-peri. It's better than the teriyaki sauce. And the meatballs are pretty good. It's moist inside. It's juicy. So these are the two meals which we have. This is the Komala Katla meal. Next up is a Murgi meal. Chicken meal. The final bits of the menu for the day. So this is a chicken meal. I'm not using fork and spoon for this. So you have rice, you have aloo bhaja, there's dal, There's roasted kopi and chicken. All right. Let's start a little bit with the dal and the aloo bhaja. The dal is very thick. It's got ghee on top. It's pretty good. I would have preferred the aloo bhaja to be less fried. This is slightly overdone. The roast kopi next. It's a cauliflower preparation. Next up, chicken. I've gotten 3 pieces of these decently sized chicken with some gravy. Now this is a proper bari meal. It's a homely cooked meal because you can see it's not overly cooked or overly fried. It's pretty moist inside. This is very good. And this is exactly what I was expecting when I visited Meals by Mom. Home cooked food with minimal oil. I'm loving this. What I'm gonna do is, the basics of both the meals are the same. The only difference is going to be the fish, alright? Fish chara, everything else is the same. So instead of wasting the rest, what I'll do is I'll just pick up the piece of the fish and I'll taste it. So this is the special Komla Katla, which translates to orange fish. I'm gonna just transfer this into my combo with some gravy. Now, like mentioned by Mrs. Chakraborty, the gravy is entirely made of orange juice. There's no water added to this. So I've gotten a patty piece of the fish. It's pretty big, like you can see, pretty thick too. Very soft, very fresh the fish is. Excellent. You can see this. I'm very excited to try this one. And my final bite of the Meals by Mom. This fish is so fresh. If you're a fan of very spicy preparation, you can opt for any of the other preparations which is there on the menu. But if you are someone who does not mind experimenting and who's open to trying out different types of preparations for fishes, this is something which you should definitely try during the season time. Guys, experience tomar bolo. Shoptik, let's start with you.
My experience has been good. I like the food. I like the chicken roast. I also like the chicken curry. It was light, yet it has the spices and it was perfectly cooked.
I like the chicken curry too. Arpita and Suparna, what about you guys?
আমারও চিকেন রোস্টটাই সব থেকে বেশি ভালো লেগেছে সবকটা আইটেমই খুব ইউনিক অ্যান্ড হোমলি বাট ফর মি চিকেন রোস্ট
Suparna?
চিকেন রোস্ট ইজ দ্য বেস্ট অ্যামং দ্য লট অ্যান্ড চিকেন কারিটা একদম লাইট খেলে কোনো প্রবলেমের হওয়ার ব্যাপার না সে একদম ঘরের মতো লাগছে খেতে
Okay. Ankita, which one did you not like the most out of all?
কমলা কাতলা
You are not a fan of Kamala Katla. Okay. And Kash, what about you?
আমার প্রত্যেকটা খাবার খুব ভালো লেগেছে স্পেশালি চিকেন রোস্টটা আই এম নট আ ফ্যান অফ বলোগনিজ সো ওটা আমার ঠিকঠাক লেগেছে
I agree. Great. So that was our experience at the Meals by Mom. We had a good time over here. After a long time, we tried out home cooked food, and we couldn't have asked for a better time to enjoy a home cooked meal. If you're wondering about this outlet, this is a delivery only outlet, so you're going to find it on Swiggy and Zomato both, as well as direct orders are also available. If you did enjoy this video, do mention it in the comment section below, and do share the video with your friends and family. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from the Meals by Mom. Cheers. সবাইকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করে দিই বাহ কি সুন্দর লাগছে মেয়ের রিফ্লেকশনে
কাদেরকে
This is 2.
and this is 3.
I guess this is.
আমি সরিয়ে দিবি আর এই হ্যান্ডেল যেটা আছে না ওটাকে সোজা করে দিবি।
হচ্ছে না
আমরা রোজগেরি কিনে খেলছি
এটা হচ্ছে না এটা
আমরা যেটা করবো আগে তুমি পুরো জিনিসটাকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করছো, ঠিক আছে? তারপরে সবকিছু নিয়ে যাওয়া হচ্ছে ভেতরে, গরম করা হবে, এক এক করে আমাদেরকে দেবে। সে ফর ইনস্টেন্স আমরা আগে স্টার্ট করছি কাটলেট দিয়ে। কাটলেট আমাদের বেশি লাগবে না, আই থিঙ্ক আমাদেরকে 3 পিস দিও, আমরা ওটাকে কাট করে খাবো, কাটলেট।
Hello everyone. Thank you Shabaz and the entire Food Spa team for having me on your show. It's an absolute pleasure to be able to talk about this venture on your platform. So, Meals by Mom is a completely homegrown food delivery service. From the homely regular meals that we typically refer to as ghar ka khana to the fancier gourmet style dishes, we make everything at home from scratch, and with a lot of heart because it's got that quintessential motherly touch to it. It's been over a little 6 months since we started this. We actually started this during the lockdown to actually help people who were left without the resources to have home-cooked healthy meals. Senior citizens, working couples, families who just weren't able to get groceries or stopped having access to domestic help were actually in need for a service like this. So we thought, why not just start this? Mom's been a terrific cook all her life. Our friends and family have always gone gaga over her culinary skills. She's been on cooking shows herself and has also run a restaurant in the past. So, this just felt like an ideal opportunity to help people in need by putting her skills to good use. So that's when we started this, received a phenomenally positive response, and that's what kind of kept us going and growing. While we started with the everyday homely food, we diversified quickly into the more gourmet stuff that Ma's also really good at. And even that took off very well. We've had so many repeat customers ordering our Chinese, Mughlai and continental dishes that, it's been really overwhelming for us. In fact, we sometimes joke that, Mom should probably get a patent on her signature roast chicken. It's become so popular already. But, to be honest, what makes this venture really special for me is that this is giving someone like my mom, who's always lived for others and cooked for others, a platform to showcase her skills and actually get recognition for her talent. And, as we grow, it's our vision to include more such mom chefs on our platform so they can reach out to a wider group of people also with their own creations. And I'm really glad I've got this opportunity to tell our story through Food Spa. I've been an avid follower of Food Spa's video blogs. Just love the way you guys tell a story and take your viewers through a fantastic gastronomic journey. I feel it's a great platform for discovery for all food lovers, and what you guys do is so unique and captivating that it's an honor to be featured on your video blog. So for all of you watching this, I would request you to give our homemade delicacies a try. The food is 100% homemade, prepared in our home kitchen, following all the safety and hygiene protocols. Great taste, quality, and value for money are our USPs. So all of these things make Meals by Mom ideal to try out. So if you're too busy to cook at home or need a reliable food service for your elderly parents, or you're a business owner looking for the right partner to provide box lunches to your employees, Meals by Mom is the perfect service for you. And if you're someone who's craving the occasional fancy dishes, you can always order from us through Zomato and Swiggy. But regardless, whether or not you're ready to order from us right now, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. We go by MLS by Mom. That way you never miss any updates from us. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for having me. Take care. Bye-bye.